we're going to be installing a carrot into the corner of this pitch just to mark the corners for future reference when we're doing initial marking or remarking the pitch somewhere we can string line to. So it's a pretty straightforward process. Hammer, mallet, are tools to put the carrot in, and the carrot itself. You can buy these online from quite a few different places. They're about £100 for a box of 25, so obviously you want to use them sparingly. I typically just go for corners, 18-yard box. We can do halfway lines and that sort of thing as well. So it's pretty straightforward. Just pop the carrot in like that. You can get the metal versions of these, which have got the little notches in, which sit in there, just to ensure your carrot's straight. You want to find the corner of the pitch of where you're trying to put it. Push it down. Just get it in a little bit. We might have to screw it in because we're doing it one-handed here, obviously. We get it to the point of where it's nice and straight, that's fine. Again, we'll just cover this like so. We've got the carrot on, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to use the mallet just to hit it down and then stop at the line where it says stop. So as you can see, we've stopped here at the line which says stop on the ground, and we can lift that off and just see the tuft of carrot sticking out of the ground. Now we're cutting with a rotary mower, so that's not going to cause any issues, but if you're cutting short with a cylinder mower, you might want to knock that in just a little bit more, just to ensure that you don't pull it out while mowing. The other thing is, obviously when the ground's really hard, you might have to consider using the metal version of these, because these will break quite easily. The alternative is you can go and put your carrots in during the winter months.